The Deane Nature Preserve.
The Deane's Preserve is open for use from community members and students alike. It can be used for inspiration, research, recreation, and education.
The Deane Nature Preserve is home to 250 species of plants, a diversity of trees, and lots of wildlife.
Chipmunks, eastern gray tree frog, northern red-bellied snake, squirrels, porcupines, garter snakes, sugar maple tree, ash tree, beech tree, oak tree, black-capped chickadee, baby robins, blue jay, hepatica, jack in the pulpit, maidenhair fern, waterleaf, wild blueberries, violets.
Since acquiring the preserve in 2002, Green Mountain College students have been utilizing this as an outdoor classroom in which to conduct research. With its collection of trails and spectacular views at the top of Mount St. Catherine, the Deane Nature Preserve serves as a unique place to recreate. Whether you're hiking, running, strolling, or just soaking it all in, there's always something to do here at the preserve. So one of the special features here at Deane Preserve is our endless brook, which is right here.
Endless brook, actually that's right there.
Actually, Professor Newlands here knows quite a bit about endless brook.
Well, yes I do, thank you. You see, the thing about endless brook is, while we see it on the surface here, it rarely surfaces above ground around Lake St. Catherine. Most of it is a subterranean brook, and that's where it gets its name from, because even when you think you don't see it, it's right beneath you. Also, this brook is home to the indigenous brook trout.
So here we have our information kiosk, which features geology, ecology, college involvement, water, brief history, and rules and regulations of the Deane Preserve. So here at the preserve, we have rules and regulations to follow.
There's rules and regulations?
Actually there are, yes. Leave no trace. Carried in, carried out. Travel on foot only, except for handicapped access or approved management practices. Hunt only by permission. Engage in no illegal activities. Camp only in designated areas. And build no fires except in designated areas. Hello, Professor Blessis. How's it going?
Oh, good. How are you?
Good.
Nice to see you.
We are hiking to the top of Mount St. Catherine.
Oh, nice. Is this your first time up?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I was just taking some samples of the soil erosion here. So you didn't tell them anything about Mount St. Catherine yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, actually, it's pretty cool. It was formed 500 million years ago when volcanic islands actually collided together. This created a lot of soil erosion of sand and gravel, as you can see right here. But you're all on your way up?
We are.
All right,
Could
yeah,
we
I'll join you.
Yeah,
that'd
all
be
right,
fun.
great.
I hope, it's up the mountain we go.
With all the fascinating trees, plants, and animals, there will always be something to observe. The diversity of trails allow for more desired options. At the top, the unseen spectacular view is almost irresistible. Rain or shine, you should come check out the Deane Nature Preserve in all its beauty. Thank you.